I'm in heaven. Look at this. Here in Koh Phangan, just been fruit shopping. You get 4 big mangoes like this. This mango is like £1, like less, even less than £1 for a mango. We're here literally in the jungle. Check this out. You see, that is the jungle.
Can I speak on your phone?
And this is the house. And that's my daughter Mahi. And this is my daughter Nura wants to say hi.
Hi everybody.
What are you eating?
A lychee.
How are they tasting?
Yummy.
Yummy. Today we went to an organic farm. I'm going to post a video. Organic fruit farm. We had jackfruit. We picked peanut butter fruits off a tree.
Can I speak to them?
It's fruits that taste like peanut butter. Yeah, what do you want to say, baby?
Everybody. So, we just went fruit shopping and the rambutan, mangoes, lychees were so cheap. And we could eat them all day, every day, forever.
For a kilo of lychees, it's like £2. In England, it's like £7. And you can even get a big bag for like £1. 50 baht for a whole bag of lychees. Hi Mahi, how are the lychees?
Yummy.
Yummy. I've got so much content to share, super excited. We have landed now, we are settled. Going to be sharing loads about our journey, living in a conscious community. We're all about to go for a meal. We have a communal meal every day, 8 p.m. with everyone else who's here. I don't know if you can hear the jungle sounds. So many of our friends. Do you want to say something else?
Even our friend Goldie's here.
Yes, so many of our friends are here, and we're gonna make the best of living together in a conscious community and build these all over the world. Now, the problem I've had with other communities I've tried is we've been looking at buying land and then developing on that land, which is very slow. But instead, there are so many places. This place has 11 bedrooms. There's another place on the other side of the island that has 20 bedrooms. It's already built. So instead of you needing to build something, which is what we did in our Mexico project, which was really slow, you buy somewhere already developed and you just move in. So this is next level. Make it so easy for people to either rent a place here, buy a place here. There's so many different ways that you can play it, and it shortcuts the whole thing. Obviously it's really fun to build your own buildings, but it's just so slow. So stay tuned, we'll share loads more videos. I would highly recommend coming to Thailand, but tropical paradise places do have their downsides, because what has been happening while we've been here?
Mosquito bites.
Mosquito bites, which we don't have to deal with in
And
England.
my daddy also got a fire ant bite.
And I got bitten by an ant.
Fire ant.
And we've been bitten by a mosquito. And you have tropical storms and you have all different things. So I think wherever you live, whatever your idea of paradise is, you know, in England we don't have many mosquitoes in most places. We don't really have crazy weather events. But it's also very cold and not a lot of fruit grows there. So you have to figure out what your place is. Our idea is build these all over the world. So Thailand, Bali, India, UK, US, like wherever, all around Europe. And then you can have your choice. You could go stay a few months in each place. You can move around, follow the sun, do whatever you feel. Freedom, I'm freedom through and through, right? That's my big thing. So that sounds exciting. If you would love to come, be around like-minded, like-hearted people. So there are so many different ways we can thrive as humans. But I think if we live in community, it's just so much sweeter. So I'll keep you posted. I'm going to edit some content. We're going to go have some dinner with everyone. Lots of love. Let me know if you've been to Thailand or Koh Phangan, what things I should try. We're going to go on loads of adventures.